Welcome to our tutorial on the incredible shadow effect in Photoshop. Today, we are diving deep into the world of digital artistry to explore how this powerful tool can transform your images. Before we start, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or tips to share. Let's get started. Click here for Unlock the layer. Go to Select option and click on Subject. Ctrl+J for duplicate layer. Click and drag for one more duplicate layer. Right-click on this layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Click on this icon, select Solid Color and pick Dark Color. Press Ctrl+T for transform the layer. Press and hold Ctrl button and drag for adjust the shadow to following this process. Click here and decrease the value of opacity. Now, go to Filter, click on Blur option and select Gaussian Blur. Adjust blur according you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators.